Hi there, welcome to Paper Zen. This crayon flip top box is so easy to make. I've got all the pieces cut out here. This is the outside part of the box and this is the inside. Both these pieces are 80-pound cardstock. I cut this name out of silver vinyl and I'm going to be sticking that onto purple glitter cardstock. And if you want to see how to make a name like this using Cricut Design Space, I'll leave a link at the end of this video. I also have some vinyl transfer film to apply the letters to the background. Now the assembly I'm going to be showing you is going to work the same for 4, 6, or 8 crayons, okay? So it's going to be all the same. So for all 3 of these patterns here, I used pre-printed cardstock. For Sarah, I used this coordinations paper line from Joann's. This is 80-pound cardstock and it's got quite a few colors and printed patterns. For Maya and Nicholas, I used this Doodlin' Around from DCWV just for some glitter and some fun patterns. Okay, let's get started. So let's decorate the outside part of the box first. I'm going to use my vinyl here and apply that to my lettering, pick up all those letters, and then I'm just going to apply the top part of my vinyl on my desk here, and that's going to allow me to have one hand keep the bottom part up in the air and the other hand can move this part around. And I'm just going to scooch this around till I like what I see. And then I apply it to my background and give it a good rub and remove my vinyl. For the box here, I've already gone ahead and pre-folded along all those dotted lines. And that's going to help me see this panel more clearly. So I'm just going to center it in here like this. Apply some glue to the name and glue it into place. Okay, now let's form our box. So there's 1, 2 panels here. I'm going to fold on the second fold line, just like that. And then I'm going to apply some glue on this tab here. And then I'm going to bring this panel over and glue it on top. And I'm just going to look to make sure that these edges are matching up nicely. And I just tend to flip it the other way just to make sure everything is nice and aligned. And then I can put these 2 tabs down and flip this tab down like this and it'll lock in place. And then the outside part of our box is done. Let's set this aside for now and work on the inside part. So for this example here, I made these letters out of vinyl and I applied that to my box on the inside part. So if you want to make a message like this, then this is the stage that you would do that in, okay? This is the top part right here, okay? So you would apply a message from here on this panel on the top half, okay? So this part would get covered up when it's open like this, so you only want to use just the top half. So for this example, I won't be adding a message. So now that I've got everything all folded, let's go ahead and turn this upside down. Okay, so this tab here, this first tab, let's go ahead and fold this over like this and apply some glue. And then do you see this score line right here? That's where we're going to fold, okay? So we're going to fold those 2 panels over like this and apply the glue on the bottom panel right here. And we're just going to rub that until the glue has a chance to set. Next, we're going to add some glue on this larger panel right here. And then we're going to bring this panel over and glue it right on top. And then we can puff the box up and form it like that. And do you see this notch right here? It's going to fit into that little notch right there. So we're just going to put these 2 tabs down here and this little notch will set right in. Just like that. We'll do the same thing on the other side. We'll put those 2 tabs down and push the tab in. Now we formed our box. And now we can add some crayons and slip the top on top. And you might have to fuss a little bit right around here. We'll just kind of shimmy it back and forth and then it sets in place. Okay, so when they go to use it, we just slide it open and fold the line right there and slide it back down. And then it just rests on the table, ready for them to use. Now your box is ready to surprise someone special. I hope you enjoyed crafting with me. I love seeing how yours turned out. And if you have time to leave me a review, I'd really appreciate it. And it does help my shop. Thanks and see you next time.